Hello students, I welcome you all. I hope you all good. Be safe in your home. I'm very happy that you guys doing your homework and submit it in GCR correctly. And do study, do your homework daily. At the end of each lesson, I'll give you a test in GCR. So study carefully. Okay then, we move on to the today's topic. You are well aware that computer is an electronic device, right? We all know that computer is an electronic device and which can perform various tasks. In computer, we can listen music, watching movies, perform calculations, we play games, whatever we want, we do in the computer. The computer is made up of electronic components. The electronic or physical components used in a computer are termed as hardware. If you see any computer, you can see that monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, like that. These are all examples for the hardware. And let us see some examples. Monitor, keyboard, scanner, speaker, mouse, card drive. These are all some of the examples for the hardware. Then hardware cannot work by itself. It needs a step-by-step instructions. Hardware cannot work by itself. It needs a step-by-step instruction. They are like an army. In every army, they need a commanding officer to instruct some of the instructions to do. To do like that. A hardware also need a commanding officer. That's why we need a set of programs that help in proper functioning of a physical or hardware components of a computer. We need a set of programs that help in proper functioning of a hardware components in a computer. A set of programs responsible for smooth running of a computer system is known as software. Software is a set of programs. It is responsible for the smooth running of a computer system. Okay, that's why software is said as commanding officer, because hardware cannot work by itself. So it needs a commanding officer to instruct the instructions to do a work. Like that, a software is a program responsible for smooth running of a computer, right? So software is a set of instructions on program that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. The programs that runs on the computer is called as software. You must hear the term software. Information and ideas are given to the brain regularly from the childhood so that the brain's power increases with the time and experiences. We heard lot of instructions from our parents. These are all good, these are all bad, don't go there, it hurts you. These are all some of the instructions said by our parents for our good health and to choose good path. Like that, the software also commands the hardware for smooth running of a computer system. The information and instructions are the software path. In the hardware is visible to our eyes. Okay, we can touch them and we can feel that. But software is not visible, and it also a main part of the computer to run. Okay, it is so important for the computer. Then, what is a software? A software is a set of programs provided to a computer for smooth running of its physical or hardware components. It is a set of programs provided to a computer for smooth running of a hardware components of a computer. Then, Lady Ada Lovisa Augusta was the first programmer in the universe. Okay, the games that you play and the programs that you use to learn interesting things on computer are called the software. Let us see some of examples for the software. Microsoft Office, antivirus, Windows Media Player, and the computer games. These are all some of the examples for the software. Then the software is of two types. Software is of two types, and the first one is system software and the next one is application software. System software is a program specially designed to control various activities of a computer system. System software is a program specially designed to control various activities of a computer system. Then system software is classified by three, that is operating system, language processor, and utility software. Then operating system is a part of a system software that makes the computer work. Operating system manages and control the working of the hardware as well as the software. Operating system manages the control of the working of the hardware components as well as the software components. Then utility software is a designed it is a software designed to help and analyze, configure, optimize and maintenance of the computer. Utility software is a software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize and maintain a computer. It is used to support infrastructure of a computer. Then move on to application software. Application software, the software that designed to do specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operation. The software application software is a software that designed to do a specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operation is called application software. Application software is classified by two, that is general purpose software and the custom software. We can also tell that general purpose application software and the special purpose application software. Application software is classified by two, that is general purpose application software and the special purpose application software. Okay, we'll stop this today and we'll see in detail about the types of software in the next class. Then let us recall it from the first. The electronic or physical components used in a computer are termed as hardware. Like that, if you see a computer, we can able to see that mouse, keyboard, monitor, a CPU, like that. These are all the examples for hardware, and we can touch them and we can feel them. We can able to see that. Then some of the examples for that is monitor, keyboard, scanner, speaker, mouse, card drive. These are all some of the examples for the hardware. Then hardware cannot work by itself. It needs a step-by-step instructions. They are like an army. We know that, right? They are like an army. In every army, there is one commanding officer to instruct them what to do and how to do, right? Like that, hardware also need a commanding officer. That's why we need a set of program that help to proper functioning of a hardware components of a system. So we choose a software. That is, software is a program responsible for smooth running of a computer system. That's why software is a commanding officer. It is a set of instruction on program that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. The programs that runs on the computer is called a software, and it tells the instructions to the hardware like our parents tell the instructions to the children for his good health and to choose good path. Like that, the software commands the hardware for smooth running of a computer system. And these are all some of the examples for the software, right? Microsoft Office, antivirus, Windows Media Player, and the computer games. These are all some of the examples. Then software is two types, that is system software and the application software. System software is a program specially designed to control various activities of a computer system, and it manages smooth working hardware as well as software components. Okay. Then system software is classified by three, that is operating system, language processor, utility software. Then application software is the software that designed to a specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operations is called application software. Application software is classified by two types, that is special yeah that is special purpose application software and the general purpose application software. We can also say that general purpose software and the custom software. Okay, some of here is some of the recaptured questions. That is, what is a software? What is a software? A set of programs responsible for smooth running of a computer system is known as software. Okay, what is a software? A set of programs responsible for smooth running of a computer system is known as software. Then, who is the first programmer? Lady Ada Lovisa Augusta was the first programmer in the universe. Then, list some examples of software. We see that, right? Some of the examples are Microsoft Office, Windows Media Player, then antivirus. The another one is computer games, right? Then the list the types of software. Software has two types, that is system software and the application software. System software is classified by three, that is operating system, language processor, utility software. The application software is classified by three types, that is general purpose application software and the special purpose application software. Okay, we can also say that custom software. Then if I give a homework as an assignment, kindly post it in GCR and don't post anywhere else. Okay, kids, kindly post it in GCR. And the steps for downloading the GCR is, first go to classroom.google.com or download Google Classroom from the Play Store. Then click join class and type the class code. This is our class code, and click join and submit the assignment in the GCR only. Don't post anywhere else. And for today's homework, do revise the topic which we seen so far. Okay, which we saw so far. Do revise the topic and In the end of the each lesson, I give a small test in the GCR. So kindly study carefully. Okay, thank you, students.